Hey guys, I'm very excited for today's video because I am going to be truly unboxing with you the LookFantastic August beauty box. I was able to unbox their July box as well last month. I will link that down below for you guys just in case you're interested. And if you guys are thinking about signing up, I will have a link down below. It is not an affiliate link. I think basically it's just going to be able to help LookFantastic see who comes to their website through my link and might encourage them to work with me more. So if you guys are interested, please check my link and definitely check July's video. That way you guys can see what type of products are showing up so you can see if you want to subscribe for yourself. And I am just really excited to jump on in to the August LookFantastic beauty box. And this will still be available for a couple days. I received the package a little bit late and I'm trying to film it as soon as I can. It's been so insane at work this week. Like, thank God it's Thursday. But I love this box and I'm gonna keep this. That's the first thing I said when I saw this, and that makes me feel like such an old lady where I'm like, I gotta save the box. But I'm gonna save the box. So I'm gonna do my best to just pull out and go, and then at the end we will go through the booklet and talk about the products. But I'm gonna wait so I don't spoil anything for myself. I do know one product because if you get these catalogs in the back, they will tell you one of the products that will be included in the box, which is nice. I like that. I like being surprised, but I also like knowing a little bit as well. So I love that we get a little bit of both. So just tearing the tissue paper like a savage. Oh my gosh, so noisy. And okay, the first thing that I pulled out is the item that they gave a little sneak peek for us last month. And I'm trying to get it out of the dang bubble wrap. Well, I'm just a full savage all around. We just tearing everything up. Okay, so this is a little mini of the Ciate Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in Matchmaker. And I have tried this formula before in a different shade. And I am really excited to see what this one looks like. And definitely mini blush is definitely the way to go. If you guys have ever tried to pan a blush, it's impossible. I've only ever panned a sample blush before and it still took me forever. So here is what Matchmaker looks like. That's so pretty. So let's give it a little swatch. Very smooth. Does have a really pretty shine to it, but not too glittery. I do have large pores, some texture on my cheeks, and I'm not really worried about this emphasizing anything. That looks so cute. Great first product in a really exciting brand. So let's see what we have next. This is the Floriga Labs Age Purify Intensive Double Correction Serum for wrinkles and blemishes, which I think is so nice that they are realizing that there are tons of us out here with adult acne that are also trying to anti-age at the same time, and usually you kind of have to pick one or the other. Of course you can like combine different products, but I don't often see products that can do both. So that sounds fantastic, and this will be a great thing to throw into my rolling sample project pan where I'll be able to review it for you guys there. Next, this is big. Okay, this is the Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion, Superfood Kale and Turmeric. So I'll be interested to see what that smells like. I have tried some Ahava lotions in the past and they are very hydrating. This is a great size. This is 1.3 fluid ounces, so you'll definitely get a lot of uses out of that. Next, this is heavy. This is Bubble Tea Bath Body Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer. And I actually do have a bathtub at my house, and I've never used a bath bomb before, but I've heard that you should try to break it up into smaller pieces so that you can make them last longer. You can get several baths out of it, so that's really interesting. And next is the Skimono Radiance Recovery 4C Plumping Collagen Calming Chamomile Refreshing Cucumber Firming Vitamin C with Peptides
They are under eye patches, so this would be another great thing to roll into my sample project. And then one final thing here is Glov, Glov mask remover. So it's a microfiber cloth to use to remove masks, which is so interesting and very helpful because some masks, especially clay masks, you really got to scrub them. So this is what it looks like. So you can stick your hand in like this and really get in there. That will be so nice. And I did just get some masks from another brand, so this will be great to use along with them. I've never heard of something like that, so very interesting. So real quick, I'm going to go through the booklet, give you guys some more information. So in here it shows you all of the products that you got, then it gives you some information on them. So the first product in the booklet is the Floriga, the Age Purify Serum. This is a one-of-a-kind age purifying serum that tackles blemishes and wrinkles all at once. It's their totally unique formula that protects against external aggressors and reduces the appearance of imperfections. It has niacinamide, sweet almond oil, citric acid, and glycolic acid. Sound perfect. And like I told you guys before I opened this booklet, like that's just very interesting to tackle acne and wrinkles at once. I love that because I don't want to use, you know, tons and tons and tons of products. I don't want my skincare routine to take, you know, 30 minutes. So I love that. Then next would be the Skimono under eye patches. It is a potent eye serum mask enriched with liposome technology to reduce the look of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness, used for instantly brighter under eye area that feels refreshed and radiant. It has, as I said, collagen, chamomile, cucumber, and vitamin C. It says leave on for 10 to 15 minutes or until your eyes feel refreshed. As a new mom to a newborn baby, oh, he's 4 months now, same diff. He's still newborn to me is what it feels like. The sleep has not been great over here, so I can definitely benefit from a little under eye patch. Then we have the Ahava body lotion. It's a hydrating body lotion infused with superfoods, kale and turmeric to moisturize skin and revive the senses. Its formula protects skin from premature aging, and it smooths and deeply nourishes. Y'all know how to put on lotion, just rub it in. And then we have the Ciate Illuminating Blush, and it is a natural flush of color and an enviable glow with this marble illuminating blush. It's a lightweight finish, ideal for a no makeup look while being buildable for something with more full coverage. I definitely would say it is buildable. It does give a really pretty glow to the skin, but I like that it's buildable. So if you like a little bit of blush or a more intense blush like me, everyone can be satisfied with the pigment. Then we've got the Bubble Tea Bath Fizz. Take your bath to new heights of relaxation and scent with this super sweet Bubble Tea Bath Fizz. This perfect self-care night edition leaves you feeling revitalized and restored. It's paraben free. It has citric acid and Chinese fruit extract. So just drop this under warm water and watch it fizz. The good thing is that this is resealable. So I will crush this up, hopefully into maybe 4 pieces, maybe 3. And then the last thing would be that Glov mask remover, a polyester fiber cloth specifically designed to quickly and effectively remove product residue from the skin surface. Its fibers don't absorb any products, making the cloth easy to clean after use and aren't rough on the skin, so it won't cause irritation. Wet this cloth with warm water and cover face until your skin feels flush. Use circular motions to cleanse the skin. It is reusable and machine washable. So very excited to try that because yes, like the thing about masks, and I'm so happy that I have a mask applicator, and it sounds bougie, but it is so worth it to me because especially with clay masks, like it's a mess. So I love using a brush, and it is something that I usually will wash off masks in the shower because I hate washing things off at the sink because it's such a mess with the water dripping down your arms. So this sounds like a very, very interesting product that would really be beneficial for someone like me and might make me mask more, which would be so great. So those are all the products. Now let's go through the booklet and see if there's any spoilers, so that way you guys can know if, again, maybe you want to sign up for the September box. So first, there is this fact page all about turmeric, which would be great. I know about it for like cooking. I mean, sort of, kind of. I know it really clears your senses. I know that, but I'm interested to see how it is in skincare. Ooh, how to treat your oily skin this summer. I can definitely benefit from that. You guys know I'm greasy all year long, but especially in the summer. So that will be helpful. Then it talks about behind the theme of the beautiful box itself. Then it says how to apply your makeup in a way to fake a facelift, which is interesting. I've got a lot of extraness happening in this area. It talks about garden parties, and then what's coming up. You guys, this is exciting. So what is going to be coming up in September's box is a little mini of the By Terry Balm de Rose. I think they have a pot version, but this is like the one in the lip gloss tube. You guys, By Terry is such an expensive brand, so I'm very excited to try that. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this, and hopefully it's got you thinking about maybe you'd want to sign up for the LookFantastic beauty box. Like I said, I will have the link down below. I will link my July unboxing as well. Hopefully if you can see 2 months of unboxings, you might be able to get a better feel about this if this is something for you. And like I told you earlier, I will be getting the September box, which I'm so excited about. So if you're still unsure this month, hopefully after seeing 3 months of unboxing, you can get a little bit more of a feel for what kind of things show up here. But I think it's awesome that we got makeup, skincare, and body products in here. And I would classify this as like a tool. So it's nice you got a little bit of everything. Some brands that I've never heard of before, and then some brands that I have, like Ciate and Ahava. So very excited about this, and thank you so much LookFantastic for sending this my way. This video was not sponsored, but the product was sent to me for free. So thank you all so much for considering me for this. I greatly appreciate it, and I greatly appreciate you guys for watching, and I'm so proud of myself for having a semi-short video. You know that doesn't happen often with me. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.